Hi, my name is Jim Curtis, Holiday Valley Mountain Operations Manager. We're going to do an update today. A lot has happened since the last time. We removed the bottom lift house, and that consisted of removing all the electrical controls, all the electrical wiring, everything out of the lift house. We went to removing the bottom terminal. That consists of, we got to remove the sides with the windows in it in pieces. And that's a 5-piece process. Once we got that off, then we were able to get a big crane in here and lower the bull wheel to the ground. And then we're able to lift the motor room off, put it on a tractor trailer. We've sent the bottom terminal to the new location, Catamount Ski Area in New York, the other side of the state. They've got the motor room so far, and we have to haul the rest of it out to them. Once the motor room's off, there's a bunch of beams that have to come apart to hold the motor room up. We've done that. We've taken a few of the towers down and we moved it to the tree cutting. At the bottom, the lift line goes towards Yodeler. At the top, the lift line goes towards Champaign, so we had to make a new trail, more or less, because it crisscrosses the existing Eagle Alley trail. So we cut a bunch of trees, pushed all the stumps out, and started doing some final grading. Doppelmayr was here last week, laid out all our tower footers where they're going to go. The existing lift had 13 towers. This lift will have 7 towers. We have 6 or 7 containers coming in the next couple weeks for the new lift from Austria. So up here on top, we're getting the warming hut ready to move. The decks have been removed. All the pavers out front have been removed. We've cut some holes underneath the building to slide the I-beams through to lift the building up. The warming hut is moving to where the existing Yodeler lift was, and then the new lift return terminal where you unload will be where the building is currently. We're in the basement of the existing warming hut. If you look behind me, you can see the holes in the wall. We'll put I-beams through these holes in the wall, crib underneath the I-beams, and they'll jack the warming hut up, roll it out onto the I-beams, and move it over to the new location. There's going to be 4 I-beams total. We've got 1 more to cut out here, 1 more to cut out in this utility room. And then if you look on the downhill side, you'll see the 4 holes where the I-beams will go out through the building that way. This is where the new lift line will be. If you look down on the skier's right, there's a few trees that still have to come out. We have to move that light pole, a couple snow guns out of the way. But the new towers, the new lift, will come right up through that opening right there. This is a location for the new Tower 6, Tower 7. Will be here, and then you'll go into the top terminal after you go over these 2 towers right here. I'm standing in the basement, the new location for the warming hut. Once it moves from where it is now, this is where the basement will be for the warming hut. Here we are at the bottom terminal, and if you look behind me, you can see where we've taken the trees out, cut into the bank, cut into the uphill side, getting ready for the new lift. So we removed a bunch of dirt and got the new line cleared. This is the location for the new Tower 1. Tower 2 will be up there where the existing Tower 4 will be. So from here you'll shoot uphill, up over Tower 2, headed uphill. So coming up this next week, our plan is to remove all the existing towers. We have 10 towers left to remove, and then everything will be down from the existing Yodeler lift in the parking lot, ready to load on tractor trailers and ship to Catamount Ski Area.